So this is a quick guide on how I clean my machine. Basically, this is just to show you how important it is to maintain your machines. Maintaining your machine would allow your machine to perform effectively. So come along, let me show you. It's real simple because the machine is very basic. It's a quick process. Okay, so here we go. So one of the things I'm going to do, I'm going to open this window. As you can see, I just took this off. Open the window and you're going to remove your bobbin. You set that aside. There is this bit here and that bit here. You're just going to push that to the side like that and do the same thing to that. And you're going to grab this bit here and this comes out. And then you have the one that holds the bobbin, which is this one. Okay, so if you look inside here, you might be able to see a lot of lint. So you just take a brush. This is just a simple brush. And you take that brush and you go inside and you clean out your machine. You see that? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is to get my L-shaped screwdriver. Alright, so I hope you remember this L-shaped screwdriver, and I'm going to open these two screws so I can lift the plate off. Alright, so I took the screws out and then I'm going to lift the plate. And this is where you will find a lot of dust. And right in the feed dogs here, you can see a lot of dust as well. Clean your machine quite often because the cleaner it is the better it works. If there's too much dust in the feed dog here, it can prevent the machine from working correctly. Alright, so this is going to be a very quick tutorial. Okay, and you can see the dust right here. Cleaning your machine is very important. Okay, so to put back your plate on, make sure you dust this as well. Right, so you put that back into that groove and then you put your screws back in one by one. Okay, and that's done. Also, you dust these. Make sure you remove all the dust around these pieces. To replace these back into the bobbin compartment, this is the one you put back first. And this is the piece that houses the bobbin. My needle is still up. And you see where this piece is, the piece that's shaped like a C, it's on the left. And then you're going to take this part, put that right back inside until you hear it goes click. So the next is to put this one in, and you're going to hold it like this, and you have the opening here. This is where the needle is going to go down, so you need to put this in straight. So once you have this like that, you're going to need to hold this with both hands. This goes in like that. Then what you do, you bring back these pieces to lock it in. Right? You bring that back to lock that in. Test to make sure it's secure and bring the needle down a couple of times just to make sure that your needle is not hitting on anything. And if your needle is hitting, that means you did not put it in correctly. Now that is set, you take your bobbin and you click that in. You put your foot on, you thread your needle and you bring your bobbin thread up, and that's done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.